I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. This is not one that I made up. This is one that I went to the Tampa Bay Tap Festival some months ago, and I learned this from Aaron Tolson and from, did we do this in Derek's class? I know we at least did it in Aaron's class. I don't remember if we did it in Derek's class, but this is like a classic exercise that I had done before I learned it from them, but then I forgot for years, and then they reminded me that it was a thing, and I was like, oh man, I love this, and now I want to remind you that it's a thing, or teach it to you. So if you already knew it, or if you didn't know it before, either way, we're gonna have some fun with this today. So it's just paradiddles, but it's changing the downbeat of your paradiddles. It's a super fun exercise. If you're a tap teacher, this is a great one to bring to class for accent learning. So if you're teaching your students about accents, this is the best exercise for that. It's also just really good for practicing starting paradiddles on different counts. That can throw people off a little bit. It's kind of like my drawback starting on the step, or a time step that doesn't start on 8. It can throw you off a little bit, but it's important that we know how to do these things. So it's just paradiddles. It's a paradiddle exercise. So we have 3 paradiddles and a dig. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. So you're gonna hold 8. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Then you're in a dig position, like you're literally right here. So the next part of the paradiddle is the spank. So we're gonna do 3 more paradiddles, but this time we're starting on the spank. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. And you stop on the spank. So you're gonna stop on the same thing that you start with. The first one we started the way we always do, with a dig, right? Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig. Now we're going to spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank. So let's try that. Starting with the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, hold 8. Good. So let's try from dig to spank. Let's do the first 2. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Good. From there, you start with the step. Step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step. So let's try that, starting with the step. The paradiddle does not change. You're just starting from a different spot. So from the step, you just went spank. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Good. Okay, let's add that to the beginning. So we go dig, and then we do spank, and then we do step. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Good. From there, heel is the last part. So you go heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, hold 8. So we finished it. So let's try just that last part. You just went step, so your left heel is going to go first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Okay? So let's try all of it. Dig to the spank, to the step, and to the heel. And it makes a paradiddle, which is kind of cool. All right, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Spank, step, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. That's pretty cool, right? Good news. It immediately switches to the left foot because you just finished here. So now your left foot is free. So let's try the whole thing on the left. Sound good? Whole thing on the left. Ready? From the dig. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. let's try right to left with some music. Sound good? All right, let's do it. So your tempo, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time. And yeah, you learned that. It can go slower, it can go faster. The more advanced the class, the faster you want to go. So like with my tap 4 class on Thursdays, it's going to be like, it's going to go probably that fast. And then with my beginner classes, it's probably going to go a little slower than this. But since everyone knows paradiddles from like pretty early on, this is a great exercise for any level. Just change the tempo to whatever you want. All right, let's do it one more time at this nice moderate tempo, just to make sure we got it, and then we're good. I just want to throw that out there. That's really good. I'll have the song information down below. I will also have Aaron Tolson's information down below because it is his class that I learned it from. I like paused the video for a second and reminded myself. I was like looking through my videos. Oh yeah, so it is Aaron Tolson. So I'll have his information down below. So you can follow him on Instagram. He might have a YouTube channel. I don't remember, but by the time I make the description, I will know. So anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun to teach. It's a lot of fun to do. I find myself doing this just all the time, waiting in line, chilling somewhere. Like I'm always doing this exercise and I love doing this with my students. So hopefully you will too if you're a teacher. If you're a student just learning how to tap, hopefully this helps you with accents because it completely changes what count your accent is on and which part of the paradiddle you're doing the accent. It's so cool. Anyway, I could geek out about this all day, so I won't. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography tutorials where you can learn like a combination to a song that's either like super popular or timeless or something. As you can tell from my outfit, I am filming holiday stuff right now. This doesn't count as holiday stuff, but whatever. So you get a Christmas tree in this video and a little Hanukkah sign in this video and Santa cat socks. So yeah, anyway, technique exercises, step tutorials, choreography tutorials, vlogs, challenges, you name it. It's all free tap dance class and it's right here on this YouTube channel free for you. So make sure that you subscribe. It's the best way of supporting my work. Also, hit the thumbs up. That is another great way of supporting me and other tap dancers because you hit the thumbs up on that and YouTube goes, hey, people like tap dance. We should probably like push this out more. Yes, please, YouTube. Yes, please. Let's get more tap dancers in the world. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.